Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming mobile data is on and airplane mode is off. This is vital. Next, power down and remove the SIM card. Reseat it, then reboot. Once done, watch the signal bars and carrier name. If nothing changes, toggle mobile data off and on again. These steps clear simple registration glitches and force the modem to reattach to the network. Make sure you try a second SIM now if you have one, because that immediately tells you whether this is carrier or phone related. You now dive into APN and system settings. Open access point names and compare entries to your carrier's exact values. APN name, username, password, and APN type matter. If values differ, edit or add a correct APN and save, then reboot. Also check data usage to ensure no limits or restrictions block background data. Make sure software and carrier settings are up to date. Sometimes a provider push or Android update fixes modem bugs. If intermittent, boot to safe mode to rule out apps. You finish by resetting network settings first. This clears APN, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth configurations without erasing apps. If problems persist, back up data and perform a factory reset as the last resort. Once reset, reinsert SIM and test. If still failing, contact your carrier to verify provisioning and local tower status. Have your IMEI and account details ready. Finally, test a different SIM and visually inspect the SIM tray and contacts. Hardware faults or a bent.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.